Welcome to this tutorial video. In this course, we will guide you step by step on how to use Real-Time Rendering tool. This course will be divided into 2 videos to explain. Let's try it together. Part 1. Create a real-time rendering template. Click Render from the left toolbar, enter the Render tool. Click Add to Real-Time Rendering under the left Light section. There are 6 templates available for real-time rendering: Daytime, Nighttime, Indoor Daytime, 3.1, Indoor Nighttime, 3.1, Ultra-Fast Daylight, 3.1, Ultra-Fast Nightlight, 3.1. Select the desired light template in the pop-up panel and click Confirm. Part 2. Real-Time Preview. After entering the Real-Time Lights page, you can see the real-time rendering window in the upper right corner. When canvas movement, material adjustments, and lighting parameter changes, the camera view is rendered in real time to observe the design effect. The real-time rendering window supports 3 modes: full screen preview, split screen preview, small window preview. You can switch via the top bar or the top right corner button. Split screen and small window preview provide a lock function. To keep a fixed window view, click the lock icon at the bottom right in the current view. If you want to track canvas changes, please click Unlock. Part 3. Views Adjustment. Click the bottom left corner of the main interface to switch between 2D/3D views, making it easier to adjust light sources or select materials in different views. Supports canvas movement with the mouse or keyboard keys. Q up, E down, W forward, S backward, A left, D right. It also allows quick camera lens positioning using camera parameters and smart views. In the next video, we will continue to learn how to proceed, light settings, and render output. See you in the next video. That's all, thanks for watching.